Greetings. Welcome to our official YouTube channel Petaka Technologies. In this video, we will teach you how to calculate difference between two columns in Power BI matrix. We have three columns here. In first column, we have different months from January to December. In second column, we have 2019 project revenue. And in third column, we have 2020 project revenue. Let's calculate the difference between two columns, 2019 project revenue and 2020 project revenue, and create a matrix table to visualize this data. In Power BI Desktop, we can easily add a new measure for calculating difference between two columns. To create new measure, click on Table Tools tab and select New Measure. We have created and renamed new measure as difference. In this measure, we will create DAX function to calculate difference between two columns in Power BI. We start the DAX function with calculate DAX function. Within calculate DAX function, we will use sum DAX function and selected the column 2020 project revenue from analysis table. And we will use minus symbol to subtract two columns in Power BI. Again, we will use sum DAX function and selected the column 2019 project revenue from analysis table to get difference between two columns in Power BI. Use closing bracket to close the calculate DAX function. We can also achieve this result using another DAX function. We use same measure and we will start with calculate DAX function. We will replace sum DAX function with sumX DAX function and select analysis table. We select 2020 project revenue from analysis table and we will use minus symbol to subtract two columns in Power BI. Select the column 2019 project revenue from analysis table to get difference between two columns in Power BI. Use closing bracket to close the calculate DAX function. Let's create matrix table in Power BI Desktop to visualize revenue difference. In right hand side, under the fields section, we can see our source data. To create matrix table, select matrix visual from visualizations pane. Once matrix visual created, we can see template of matrix visual in chart area. We got options related to matrix visual under the visualizations pane. We dragged month column from analysis table and placed it in rows field. Then we dragged 2019 project revenue, 2020 project revenue columns and difference measure from analysis table and placed it in values field. After placing the columns, now matrix visual looks like this in Power BI Desktop. Now we can see difference between two columns by month wise. That's it. We have successfully calculated the difference between two columns using DAX functions in Power BI Measure and visualized data difference in Power BI Matrix Visual. If this video is useful to you, like and share this video. If you have any questions or you can share your feedback in below comment section. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos like this, visit our official YouTube channel Petaka Technologies. To get notifications on new upcoming videos, subscribe to this channel and activate bell icon.